Hey y'all, this is Trish Goss, GossMania Homestead. Welcome back. I'm going to show you hatch day. I didn't get to catch any of the little ones hatching out earlier today, but I want to show you them today. Well, it's tonight rather. So I'm going to show you which ones have hatched and what I have. I have a barnyard mix and some barred rock, full barred rock, but here we go. Also, if you haven't seen my previous videos, there's how to incubate chicken eggs in lockdown day, and so far this is hatch day. Here they are. So there's quite a few in here. I think at least 9. So what I'm going to do though, I do take some of these eggs out to make room for these babies to have room to move around. They are all about getting around right now. So I just removed a lot of the eggs so they have more room to run around. I probably removed about 6-7 eggs so you could see. Moved all these eggs over here so they could have more room. They're not all cluttered up in here. I can start taking some out tomorrow. Oh goodness. So on here, the temperature's been staying around 75. That one's 83. That's probably because a bunch of them are probably starting to like pip. I've noticed that with these. So this one's 75. And let me see if I can see. You can see that egg has pipped. Let's see if I can find one closer. Like pipping. There's one. And there's one on that really tip. Okay, y'all, I'm tired. I'm gonna do my best to show y'all some more hatching tomorrow. Right now, I'm gonna add that for tomorrow. I'll insert it in this video. Okay, y'all, so we have lots of baby chicks. Lots of baby chicks. They're all hatching. I'm gonna take some out that are here into the nursery coop. So I'm gonna put them in this little nursery coop, and gotta make sure you give them water. Let them drink water when they first get in there. So I put a little apple cider vinegar in the water, and basically you make sure they drink a little bit of water. Drink a little bit of water, and then I put them out. I learned that they have something called a egg-like beak that's at the very tip of their nose. It helps them crack through the egg, scissor their way through the egg. You see at the tip of that one's little nose? It falls off later. There it is. Right there.